Alright, so beginners and intermediate carvers alike all benefit from having little templates or even just a picture reference to go against when they're carving. It helps give proportions and gives confidence in what you're going to make. So what I ended up doing is I took all the pictures that I had in my sketchbook and I transferred them and created little downloadable templates for you guys to use. This is all free to use. Just literally go to my website. You can go find the downloadable page and just use them from there. I also have some friends that helped me out and gave me a couple of their templates, and we all have some videos that go along with some of the templates as well for extra guidance if you wanted to make them yourself. Using the templates is pretty easy enough. A lot of them, all you have to do is literally just cut them out and glue them to a block of wood, and then you have a picture reference of where you want to start carving your proportions. Like this one's roughed out at the moment, so now all I need to do is add some details to it and smooth it out a little bit more, and it's got a nice little finish to it. I do have some of my older ones on here from my sketchbook. I had a couple people asking about them, so there you go. I got some of my original sketches for you. I also have some of the ones about my carving tutorials like my fox, so those are all on there as well as some other projects that I've been working on, like this little dragon one here. It's an interesting little fun project that gives a little bit of guidance and some extra inspiration how to make it. Now, making your own templates is pretty easy to do. All I really do is I take a block of wood and I trace around it. All I did for the cobra one is I just sketched out the size of the wood I want to do, and then on the line paper I use the horizontal lines to make sure that I am keeping the proper proportions for multiple angles here. It's not exactly the easiest thing to do, but given some practice it should become easier over time. Like for me, I am not an artist, so just draw simple shapes and then you can carve details into them later. And if you want more information on how to make your own templates, I actually made a whole video on how I get my own inspiration and research proportions on each of the different shapes I want to do. Go ahead and check out that video. I think it'll be pretty helpful for you guys as well.